Okay, now we can see that we've already created a table, and then we've entered the information of some of our employees. Now let's say we still want to add more. We have a lot of names to enter. Let's say we are going to maybe we are working with tens, or we are working with hundreds of data we still have left to enter. Now what we have to do is that, in the first place, what we did was use our DML command, insert into then our table. Then but that let's assume that we are having a lot of data, let me say hundreds of data, thousands of data, millions of data. So doing that continuously is not advisable, because it's going to take a lot of our time. So the best way to go about it is use another method of entering our data, our information into our table. So you can just come to your table, go to your table, and then right click on your table, edit top 200 rows. You can see edit top 200 rows. So right here, just come here and then input whatever you want to do there. Let's say we have for example, let's say we have Roman 6. Let's say let's say that 3, that this person is let's say is also a marketer, and the phone number is whatever, and then we have the email, let's say taylor@gmail.com, for example, and let's say the salary of this person is let's say 10,000. So if you can, as you can see now, we are having our error messages. You can see the cell has changed. This cell has changed. The change has not been committed to the database. Don't forget that when we were dealing with our query, we continuously, when we are creating our table, we were adding not null, because we are going to insert some particular data. But right here you can see that the first thing we add here is null. That is our row, the third row, the fourth row. All the rows that we are going to be created they are in null form. So there is need for us to make the rows to allow null format. So what we have to do is go to our table, right click, and then go to your design, and then you can see allow nulls, then select all of them, allow nulls, so I'll be able to enter our data. Then just refresh, and then go back to our table, let's say the edit, and then you can still see that we've already added this into our database. Assuming you want to do for another person, let's say Kennedy Layman, then age, whatever age that you want to use, let's say 44. Then let's say this person is an accountant, then the phone number is whatever, and then the email is ken@yahoo.com. then the salary is whatever it might be. So let's say this. Then just come right here to the next person, and then you are going to have all the names. So this is one of the way that you can also go about entering data in SQL. So just come right here to check whatever that you've been doing, select up 1000 rows, and then you can see the names has been added to our database, the employee full name. You can still make changes anyhow that you want using the same way that we've done. So this is where we are going to be stopping in this class, and then in the next class we are going to go about how we can write basic queries, and then we still learn more about some important basic parts in SQL. So let us see how you go about creating your first database, and then let's see the first project that you are going to do. I wish you best of luck.